Al-Qaeda Ayman al-Zawahiri has died in Afghanistan. The 69-year-old Egyptian national who was heading Al-Qaeda has reportedly died of natural causes. Al-Zawahiri was the leader of the terrorist group Al-Qaeda since 2011, succeeding Osama bin Laden, and his two senior officials who were next in line to replace him were also recently killed. That is, Hamza bin Laden, the son of former Al-Qaeda leader Osama bin Laden, and Abu Muhammad al-Masri, who was killed in Iran this year. As per Arab News, Al-Qaeda chief Al-Zawahiri died due to natural causes. The unnamed sources from Afghanistan and Pakistan have confirmed the same.
ubwanwa bw'umweru bumeze nk'imvi n'imbaraga nkeya rwose bigaragaza ko ananiwe. Zawahiri asabirwa kurindana aha Imana ikarangira yunamira abarwanyi ba Al-Qaeda bose bishwe mu mwaka wa 2020, akanabashimira cyane ku bikorwa byo byitange bakoze. Amakuru avuga yuko iyi video yashyizwe ku mbuga nkoranyambaga za Al-Qaeda hamwe n'ijambo rigira riti Israel will not be Judaized. Tugenekereje nko mu Kinyarwanda, iyi video yayise Isiraheli ntabwo izigera iba iy'Abayahudi. Muri video rero yavugaga ku ngingo zitandukanye, yavuze ku gitero cyagabwe n'umutwe w'agashami ka Al-Qaeda gakorera muri Syria kitwa Barenzi b'iyobokamana, Chorus Ardin.
AMATEKA Stein, diplomatic correspondent from Israel, Can TV, joins us live from Jerusalem for more on this. AMATEKA, take us through the latest details you have and what this ultimately means then for Al-Qaeda.
So first of all, we need to say this, the rumor that he has died is being speculated for several times now. It's not something that has come as a surprise, this report that he has died in Afghanistan. Ayman al-Zawahiri, really the main leaders of Al-Qaeda, let's say even you can call it the spiritual guidance of this terror organization, really coming back 20, 25 years ago, even more than that. He's one of really the spiritual leaders of this terror organization. He really talked about how gave orders how to produce terror bombings, gave Islamic spiritual guidance to those who wanted to act and conduct terror bombings. So this report that he's died, again, it's something that has been rumored for report that he's not alive, but still we're waiting for an official, let's say, official statement maybe from the group itself about it, because we haven't yet seen any, the group is not saying at this point anything about his death. And I must say this is going to be a big blow for Al-Qaeda, because even in recent years, as much as we can talk regarding terror organization and this issue, Al-Qaeda, Al-Qaeda was less, let's say, popular when it came to terror bombings. We hear more ISIS, we hear more suicide bombers that pledge allegiance to ISIS. Al-Qaeda was a bit on the side. And what happened in recent years really, that this is an organization that did act in several parts of the world, but again, it was less highlighted. We didn't see, for example, a bombing in Europe or a terror activity in Europe that someone said, I pledge allegiance to Al-Qaeda. Now, so this is a major blow to this terror organization that might now even go further beneath the ground, more than she is right now.
Right, Amika, I think let's leave it there. Thank you very much for that latest update. Until we have confirmation, we can take it further.
Mu gihe cyose yamaze ashakishwa, Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika yakunze kumvikana ivuga yuko habura akantu gato cyane kugira ngo Zawahiri atabwe muri yombi, ariko kugeza uyu munsi ntawe uramufata. Se byaba biterwa n'iki kuba Amerika itarabasha kumufata.
Party members Rizvi died in a Lahore hospital after suffering from a fever. Rizvi had led Tehreek-e-Pakistan since its creation back in 2015. He had created the party to protest any reforms to Pakistan's conservative blasphemy laws. Rizvi had recently led anti-France protests in Islamabad, calling for the expulsion of the French ambassador after the French president defended the right to criticize Islam as part of freedom of speech. Rizvi was a firebrand figure figure widely known across Pakistan. Under his leadership, the TLP has staged multiple violent protests.
ariko abakozi badashanzwe ba CIA na FBI bo muri Amerika nyuma y'iperereza ricukumbuye baje kumenya yuko ubwonko bw'ibikorwa byose byabaye ari uyu mugabo Ayman al-Zawahiri. Ntabwo ari ibingibi gusa, kubera yuko uyu mugabo al-Zawahiri n'ubundi hari ubwonko bwateguye igitero cyagabwe ku basirikare ba Amerika muri Somalia hari mu 1993. niwe wateguye kandi turizwa ambasade z'abanyamerika mu burasirazuba bwa Amerika mu 1998 n'igitero cy'ubwiherero bwagabwe bwa Amerika
बहरी के पाकिस्तान के सरबराह मौलाना खादिम हुसैन रिजवी इंतकाल कर गए। खादिम हुसैन रिजवी खासे अरसे से अलील थे। और गैर कानूनी फंडिंग का इल्जाम लाहौर में इंसदादी दहशतगर्दी की खुसूसी अदालत ने जमात दावा के सरबराह हाफिज सईद को 10.5 साल कैद की सजा सुना दी। प्रोफेसर जफर इकबाल और याहिया मुजाहिद को 10.5 साल, हाफिज अब्दुर्रहमान को 6 माह कैद काटना होगी। मुल्जिमान की जायदाद जब्त करने का भी हुक्म।
raporo y'umuryango w'abibumbye igaragaza ko al-Zawahiri ashobora kuba ari mu misozi yo mu gihugu Afghanistan na Pakistan. Zawahiri amaze gucika imipango yo kumuhitana itabarika kuva yakora mu jisho rya Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika mu mezi 6 gusa. Hagabwe ibitero kuri Amerika haciye muri humye ba komanda b'Abanyamerika babaga bamufite mu bipimo byabo inshuro zigera kuri 4 zose ntibamurasa. Umwe mu bagore be n'abana be 2 basize ubuzima mu bitero cya Taliban cyagabwe n'ingabo ziyunze zo mu burasirazuba bw'isi bashaka gushyira hasi ibyihebe byose. Hari nyuma y'uko Amerika yari imaze kwigarura Afghanistan mu kwezi kwa 11 mu 2001. Ibi byose nibivuze ko al-Zawahiri yapfuye cyangwa kiriho. Zawahiri mu 2006 abaje ba CIA bamubuze bari bamubuze imbere yabo mu gace ka Damadora muri Pakistan nko mu birometero 7 uvuye muri Afghanistan. Icyo gihe ubwo bari bamubonye ari kumwe n'abandi bajihadiste babarikuyeho ibiturika bya za misile, ariko birangira hishwe abajihadiste 11 babwira abarusimbuka bigendera. Isesengura ryakozwe n'ikinyamakuru MBC News rigaragaza yuko abantu 10 bari bagize akanama ka Al-Qaeda kemeje ibitero bya 11 Nzeri. ariwe muntu rukumbi mu bayobozi bane bakuru bataricwa cyangwa se ngo afatwe mu biganza na Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika. Mu mpera z'umwaka ushize Amerika yari yiruhukije yumva yuko ikize uyu mugabo ubwo byatangazwaga yuko uyu mugabo yishwe n'indwara. Gusa kuri Amerika yaba nka za mboga mbi zanze kuva mu nkono kubera ko uyu mugabo yongeye kwigaragaza avuga imigambi migari ya Al-Qaeda muri video yashyize hanze iminota 60 yose. Urwango yanga Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika n'abayiyoboye bose bituma yifata nk'aho Amerika ari umwanda n'abategetsi bayo bakaba umwanda. Mu 2011 ubwo hari inkumbura y'ihinduramatwara mu bayisilamu, Zawahiri yavuze yuko ayishyigikiye ko igomba gusiga aheretse ubutegetsi bwari bwaragizwe umwanda n'abanyamerika. Abayobozi bose bimuriwe n'imico yabo mu burengerazuba bw'isi kandi ko bagomba kuvaho. Uyu munyamisiri imyaka ibaye myinshi, amafaranga angana na miliyoni 25 z'amadolari y'abanyamerika ari ku gatwe ke. Umuntu wese wabasha kumutanga amakuru y'ahantu aganisha ku ifatwa rye agomba kwegukana aya mafaranga. Kugaruka kw'abatari gusobanuye iki ku rwego mpuzamahanga. Ese ibivugwa ko yari yarapfuye akaba yiyerekana muri video ari muzima. al-Zawahiri ntasanzwe. Ibyatangajwe ko yapfuye bishobora kuba byari ibinyoma. Reka tubabwire muzingo ibijyanye na Al-Qaeda. Ayman al-Zawahiri wamaze igihe kirekire bavuga ko yapfuye. Umwe mu bateguye ibitero byateguye byashengeshe Amerika muri 2020. Uyu harashize igihe bavuga ko yapfuye, ariko byatangajwe n'uko ubwo habaga umuhango wo kwibuka ku nshuro ya 20 muri Nzeri 2021 uyu mugabo yongeye kwigaragaza muri video y'iminota 60 itangaza benshi. Al-Zawahiri ni muntu ki? Ese ivuga ko yapfuye yaba ari byo cyangwa koko ni ikigo cya Site Intelligence Group gikorera muri Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika akazi kajyanye no gukurikirana ibikorwa by'imitwe y'abajihadiste nicyo cyavumbuye iyi video maze gitangaza ko Al-Zawahiri yavuze ku ngingo zitandukanye, nyamara abantu batekerezaga ko uyu mugabo yari yarapfuye. Peter Kate, umuyobozi w'iki kigo, abinyujije kuri Twitter yaranditse ati, mu gihe hari ibihuha bivuga yuko umuyobozi w'umutwe wa Al-Qaeda Ayman al-Zawahiri yapfuye, yongeye kugaragara muri video y'iminota 60. Uyu mugabo ritakad, ibi ni ikimenyetso simusiga kigaragaza ko agihari kandi ntaho yagiye, nkuko byari byatangajwe mu mpera z'umwaka wa 2020. Gusa ritakad yavuze ko bwana Al-Zawahiri atigeze na rimwe agaruka ku kuba abataliban basubiye ku butegetsi muri Afghanistan. Kuba ataravuze kuri iyo ngingo rero, bishoboka ko Al-Zawahiri n'ubundi ashobora kuba yarapfuye hagati y'ukwezi kwa mbere cyangwa se kwa kabiri. Noneho iyi video ikaza kujya hanze nyuma, kuko bigaragaza ko ntabwo yiyumvisha ukuntu Al-Zawahiri atari kuvuga ku ntsinzi y'abataliban. Icyo yavuze kuri Afghanistan ni itahurika ry'ingabo z'abanyamerika zari zihamaze imyaka 20. Mu busesenguzi bw'ikigo Site Intelligence Group kivuga ko wasanga abataliban barafashe ubutegetsi, Zawahiri yarapfuye. Hanyuma noneho iyi video ikaza kugaragazwa nyuma. Impamvu nuko kuva muri Afghanistan kw'ingabo z'abanyamerika byo bishobora kuba byaratangiye kuvugwa kera, ku buryo Zawahiri ashobora ko yarabivuze yarangiza agapfa. Amakuru avuga yuko Al-Zawahiri yapfuye, umuntu wa mbere washyize ahagaragara ni Hassan, umuyobozi w'ikigo Center for Global Policy, hari ku itariki ya 13 z'ukwezi kwa 11 2020. Uyu mugabo yemezaga yuko Zawahiri yapfuye azize indwara. Gusa ayo makuru umutwe wa Al-Qaeda ntabwo wigeze yemera na gatoya, nta n'ikintu wigeze ushaka kubitangazaho ubyemezo cyangwa bihakane. Zawahiri wakundaga kugaragara atangaza ubutumwa kuri video, kuva icyo gihe bivuga gutyo nta yindi video n'imwe yongeye kugaragara yayishyize ahagaragara. Batangira kuvuga yuko ari ikimenyetso cy'uko uyu mugabo atakiri mu bazima, ariko video ya vuba nanone yongeye gutuma abantu bagira urwikekwe batekereza ko Ayman al-Zawahiri akiri muzima.
Honestly, in the beginning, the treatment was horrific, unbelievable torture. I remained 5 years with the mukhabarat in a 180 by 180 cell with a 60-centimeter porch for sleeping. There was no ventilation or lighting. I remained 4 years in the cell. Then I spent 1 year at state security prison where I was tortured day and night in an inhumane, barbaric manner in order to break me.
Did you suffer because you're the brother of Ayman al-Zawahiri, an Al-Qaeda leader?
It may be one of the reasons, but also because I'm a Muslim that believes in the rights of Muslims.
Your brother Ayman and you had a big disagreement more than 15 years ago, about 15 years ago. Can you explain that?
There's no difference between my brother's thinking and mine. The portrayal of my brother's ideologies and mine, that it's bloodthirsty, barbaric, or terrorist, is not true at all. We believe in religion that imposed duties by Allah that we have to comply with and follow.
You have a proposal for reconciliation. Can you explain what its principles are, how it works?
I only speak as a mediator from the Islamic movement. I don't represent a certain group. My role is a mediator between the West and them because I think I'm accepted. I can reach some sort of reconciliation, agreement, or truce based on Sharia. This is how I picture to be proposed to both sides, whether they accepted it or not. A truce for 10 years that could be extended. the West and its allies to stop intervening in the Muslim nations and retrieve its armies. The U.S. to stop supporting the oppressive rulers. As a corrective measure, the U.S. should allow the Islamic movement to establish Sharia law, at least in the nations where it has become accepted with dominance and acceptance from people. Americans to stop intervening in the teaching of Islam and the curriculum, directly or indirectly. To release all the prisoners from both sides, to stop the war on Islam in the name of terrorism. Islamic movement stops its war on the U.S. and the West too.
Osama bin Laden had a similar proposal in 2004. It had similar terms: release prisoners, remove yourself from our lands, take your businesses and interests out of our lands. It wasn't accepted. And then after 2004, then came the attack in London in 2005. Is your proposal like this? If it isn't accepted, then there's more attacks?
I am sorry to say that those who caused the London attacks were the West, because the oppression continues. Either you stop the oppression or accept the reconciliation. Or then, how are we supposed to convince the people? How do I convince others to stop if the oppressions and violence continues? This is a very tough mission. You have to be logical. If you want to live in peace, then you must make others feel that they will live in peace.
Are you in communication with your brother?
Of course not.
Of course not.
Could you be in communication there with him? Could you talk to him directly?
If the American Security Organization allows, then there's a possibility. But now, no.